Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Okay, so in last video I have talked about the AI model. Okay, so I have in that video we have discussed that we have pre-built model and we have custom models as well. So earlier we have seen pre-built models which works on some specific documents like the invoice. So if we choose this invoice processing pre-built model, it will work on the invoice documents. Okay, because it is trained like that. It expect file the input file should be the invoice file where it can extract all the relevant details from that file. Okay, but we also come across a requirement where we do not know about the file. Okay, and that file can be it cannot be a fix in a fixed template. It can be a different types of file. But how we can handle that those scenarios? So we can also handle that using the custom models. We can create a custom model. If we have some set of different file may not be the same, but we have some sample file with us. We can train our model, and we can kind of train as such where it can get information even if the file type is not the same in every case. So for example, yeah, so how we can do that? Again, if you are not aware like how we can extract information using the AI models, we have this option in the Power Automate that is called AI Hub. When you click on that, you will get all these models. I will just quickly show again. In Power Automate, we can go to this AI Hub action, and here we will have the AI models. And in that AI models, we have different models. Pre-built models is also there, and custom models also there. So now in this video we will see custom models and how you can use that. So it's a custom model. Okay, so it may be a kind of a payment receipt where you want to extract that payment receipt and get the information out of it. How we can use that? So just one example. Okay, it will be like this. So here we need to say create, and then next step we will provide files, the sample files which we have. On that we will try to train our model. It might take a few seconds, please bear with me. Yeah, so now here we have this option. Is it a fixed template document, or it's a general document, or it's an invoice? I would say general document, because even I am not sure what kind of file it, it might be. I do have some sample document with me, but yeah, for now I will still say general document. Okay, and then I will say next. Hmm. Yeah, so what kind of fields it might be? So I would say text field, number field, and date field. So I will say text field for now for this video. Okay, and what field I want to choose? Say customer name. Then I would say, one second, I can add more fields here. Say date field would be there in that document. So it would be payment date. So, okay, and maybe one more field would be say amount. And for now, so what I'm expecting, that document which I'm going to upload will have these three fields, and I'm going to train this model as such where I will extract these three fields from the document. Now I will say next, and here in new collection, we have to upload few documents to train this model. So I would say new collection. Mm, test model, say underscore one. Yeah, add. Now API, it is showing that at least five sample documents for each collection. Okay, yeah, add a document from my device. So I have some sample PDF with me which I am going to upload. So this one, yeah, upload one document. Done. Add more. My device. So two. I will select all five. Say upload four document. Say done. So my collection has five document which was the minimum requirement. So now it enable that next button. Say next. Yeah. Now the fields which I have created, I need to tag it. Okay. So in this video, in this document, I would say this will be my amount. I will select that. Say this will be my, not that. Yeah, this will be my customer. I can expand this to full, but for now I'm just selecting that customer name, and this may be my payment date. Okay, I can extract. Okay, let's see. Somehow my not able to, my mouse is not working, but for get on with this for now. I'll select that. So one document is ready. Now the second, I would say this will be my customer name. This will be my payment date. This will be my amount. So like this, whatever document you have uploaded, that document maybe different structure, but it might have these three fields somewhere in that document. Okay, so you need to find that field and you need to tag with the fields which you have created. Similarly, this will be my customer name, this will be my date, and this will be my amount. So once you tag all the documents, then we can go and say next. Then see, last one. Say this is my customer name, this is my amount, this will be my date. So now what I have done, I have selected the fields in all five documents. Okay, now I can say next. Yeah, so this will give me my model summary. If I say train, that your model is, it shows me your model is training. It may take 20 minutes, so it will take little time. So for the demo sake, I have already created one model which I can show you. Okay, I will go to AI Hub action. I would say, yeah. So this is my new model which is getting trained. So that's why the status is training. But one model I already have, which I have published, similar documents I have uploaded and trained like that. So yeah, I can show you. Okay, here I have extracted these 4 5 fields. Now the model is trained, model is ready. How you can use that? You can use this directly from here. You say use model, and yeah, in intelligent automation, but I would try to avoid it. Maybe we can go and create a new flow. So for this demo, I have already created one flow, so that runs on when a file is created. Okay, simple trigger. We have used this many times. So I have used this trigger. I created one power to it where I have used this trigger, and after that I tried to get the file content. Okay, which is simple thing, how to get the file content. And after that I have used this AI builder action. How you can use this action, that I can show you quickly. Yeah. So here when you say add new action and you say AI builder, and here you say predict. So yeah, when you select this, this will ask you model. Okay, so here it will show me the model which I have created. So this was the previous model which I have created. I can use that. Okay, yeah. So I will delete this action for now, because the below action is the same which I have used, just to explain you how we can use. Yeah. So now I have used this model. We have to provide the document type. It can be an image, it can be a PDF. So currently I'm using the input file as PDF. So I have provided this. Okay, the body, which is the file content which we have been getting, which we got from the above action. Okay, and that's it. We just need to run that. This will give extract the information from that document based on the model which we have created in the file, the properties which we have provided, and we can run it. Yeah. Yeah, to run that flow we need to upload a file here. So upload. Yeah. Now the problem is with me, I do not have the AI credits. So yeah, so as I already mentioned in my previous videos as well, you need to have, to use these AI models or AI actions, you need to have the AI credit, which currently I do not have. So this action may not work properly, but if you have that in your in your environment, this will work seamlessly. Okay. Yeah, I will show you. Yeah, you see it is running. Yeah, got failed as expected. It will uh, it is going to fail, but I already knew about it. I know about it. Yeah, so it's a forbidden because I do not have the credit. But yeah, you can try in your environment if you have credit. Yeah. So that's all in this video. We have seen how we can create custom models and how we can use that in our Power Automate. I'm going to further explore on this topic, and I will try to create more video on this. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.